How to fix login or password is invalid error on Discord. So if you want to fix login or password is invalid error on Discord, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google application, and after that go with profile, which is on the upper right, and tap on manage your Google account, and swipe right, go with the security section, scroll down, go with manage passwords, and search for Discord. Here you will have discord.com. Just enter your screen lock, and from here just select the account and copy and paste the email and password on your Discord from here. Once you copy pasted, then you will be logged in. But if that doesn't fix your problem, or if you've not saved your passwords on your Google, then what you need to do is just follow the second step. Open up your Discord login page, tap on login, which is on the bottom, and here you need to enter the email address or the mobile number that you've used while creating your account. And once you enter that, you just need to simply go with forgot password, and after that you will receive the code on your mobile number or the email address that you've just entered, and you can enter the confirmation code and you can reset or recover your password and you'll be logged in. Or you can also sign in with your passkey if you don't remember your password. So that's how you can fix login or password is invalid error on Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.